In this equation, hydrogen peroxide has 2 hydrogen molecules and 2 oxygen molecules. Water has 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule, and oxygen has 2 oxygen molecules. Now, because oxygen is odd, we can keep this even, and we need to make the oxygen molecules even. So we'll multiply this by 2. So we turn that into 4, and hydrogen times 2 is 4. Now, knowing this, we can turn hydrogen and oxygen and hydrogen peroxide and multiply it by 2 in order to get 4 and 4. So knowing this, we drag these down, and now we've balanced our equation. In this equation, H2O has 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. There are 2 oxygen molecules and 2 hydrogen molecules on the other side. Now, the inequality is in oxygen, so we'll go ahead and multiply this by 2 to get 2 oxygens like on the other side, which leaves us with 2 oxygens and 4 hydrogens. Now, knowing this, we need to multiply hydrogen by 2 and keep oxygen at 1 because hydrogen is lacking. So we will turn this into 4 and keep this at a 2. Now we can bring this down, and now bring this down, and there we go. Capiche, capiche, we got our equation. On one side of this equation, there is 1 carbon molecule, 4 hydrogen molecules, and 2 oxygen molecules. On the other side, there is 1 carbon molecule, 2 hydrogen molecules, and 3 oxygen molecules. In order to balance this equation, we need to multiply the H2O in order to make oxygen even. And we need to multiply this by 2. So this will get us 4, and this will get us 4. Keeping this in mind, we need to multiply the oxygen by 2 and keep the rest the same in order to make that 4. So now we have balanced our equation. Buenísimo. In this equation, on one side there are 3 carbon molecules, 8 hydrogen molecules, and 2 oxygen molecules. On the other side there's 1 carbon molecule, 2 hydrogen molecules, and 3 oxygen molecules. In order to make this equation equivalent, we need to use 1 C3H8, 5 oxygens, and on the other side we need to make 3 CO2s and 4 H2Os. This will get us 8H. This will get us 10O and 3C. And this will get us 10O. Now that we have this equal, let's see how the equation looks.